Hey guys, I am so excited. Today is Monday, March 21st, and my Legend has arrived. And I just figured I would do a quick unboxing because I ordered the Pro Pack, which is what it took so long to get. Thought you guys might be interested in what all you get that's different than the regular one. So everybody gets a Legend and headphones and a hat. The two big things you get when you order the Pro Pack is, first of all, you get this extended battery pack. And what this does is it lets you detect after your regular battery has died, or I guess you could just keep it on all the time too, but it does add some weight to it. It feels like it weighs, I don't know, maybe a pound or so. And other thing you get, I'm going to open this thing up here. Whoa! It is the little coil, and that's the reason I actually did order this, is I wanted to get the small coil for it as well as the standard one. I'm going to go ahead and get this put together, see if we can't take it out and take it for a spin. Before we put it together, I want to go ahead and do the software update, and for that I'm going to use the charging cable which plugs into this male adapter here. This is the adapter that you use for your coil. This is the one that you can use for charging, and it will also plug in via USB to any computer. So I'm going to go ahead and jack that into my computer, get the software to update it, and I will see if I can record that so you guys can see what that takes as well. We're on the Nokta Makro website, and we go to Legend, and then you have to go to here to Software Update. Click on that. And the funny thing about this, I tried this on my Mac and the instructions did not correlate, because you downloaded a binary file and a tar.dg file or tar.gz file, and it did not at any rate tell you to unzip the tar file or if that was the executable it was asking you to use. So decided to come over here and do this on the PC anyway. I'm going to go ahead and download the one that says this one here, Windows version. So now it's downloading a zip file instead of a tar.gz file, and so this will hopefully do what we need. This is going to open up when it's complete. I am not plugging my Legend into the system until after it has finished downloading. I want to say take a look at the file before we do anything else. And now it's got a setup application plus the bin file binary. So we go back to the instructions and it says install the exe file. Doesn't say click on the setup file or anything. So that's kind of cool that it doesn't match at all. But if you look at these instructions, it says 1, install the executable, 2, close the executable, and then to hook up your Legend, listen for sounds, run the executable, select the binary file, and then once the update becomes active, press it. Huh, okay. Well, that looks like fun, whatever that's worth. Let's go ahead and give this a shot, see what happens. I'm voting we go ahead and we click on the application. This is the application must be the executable, actually. Let's see, application made okay, let's extract everything first. And we'll go ahead and extract everything in here. Notice I did not disable my antivirus program to run this. I actually use AVG and it did not interfere with this at all, for whatever that's worth. Okay, so now I've got this update setup file. That is the one that I believe that they are referring to as the exe file, because it's an application, it is an executable, even though it doesn't show that as the suffix for the file. And then the other is the binary file. So looks like it says to install and close it first. Let's go ahead and do that first before we plug in. And go ahead and hit run. See if it blows my computer up. No, just kidding. Alright. see if it does anything clever here. Well, it's doing something. As you can see, this can take a couple minutes. Okay, it says, do you want to allow this app to do stuff? And I say yes. I'm guessing this is where some of the antivirus programs might jump in and object. And then it says it's installing the Nokta detector update tool. That's cool. And I don't want a shortcut. Go ahead and hit install. And it's doing stuff. Hopefully this is coming through clear enough. Sometimes when you try to record your screen using an iPhone, it comes out a little blurry. Okay, welcome to the device driver installation wizard. Go ahead and do those two. And click finish. Okay, so that's done, and then we're going to click finish on that. So that makes that part of the installation instructions happen. Now we're going to go ahead and plug in our machine. Got that in there. Woohoo! And when I did that, the legend came up for just a second, and it's doing nothing now. Okay, so now we have connect the device, enter update mode, select binary file to load. Okay, so I connected the device and nothing clever happened. And it says, with the detector still off, press and hold the up button until you see the letters up on screen, and they have a typo on letters. So here's my up button. Oh, it says up. Okay, up for upload. And then here, this now says connect the device, enter the update mode, select binary file to load. So let's go ahead and pick the binary file. And let's go in, we put it in new folder. Typically when you download stuff, it'll be in your downloads folder. But we did it this way just so that I've got it handy. Go ahead and select it, and then we go ahead and click on update. And it still says update over there. Oh, now it's counting. So counting is good, I guess. I don't know. Now, funny thing about this, it says we've done this so far. We have run the executable, we've selected the binary file. Once the update becomes active, press it. Doesn't mean, I don't know what press it means, but we'll see. And then it says letters up will be erased, and you'll see numbers counting from 1 to 100. It did that already, and now it says LD, and now it's making sounds. LD will come up on screen if your coil is connected. The coil's not connected. The device will turn on. If not, it will stay CC and shut down. Oh, so my coil was not connected, so it shut me down, and that's it. It says update completed, and we are done. Okay, so we got the update done, and I think I'm going to go ahead and pick the large coil because I think that I will try it out first, the large one, and then we're going to take it out with a small one and see if it was working. I just noticed that I got a restaurant card, haha, in my deal. When I ordered from this company, they offered me free headphones, and there was a choice between Pinpointer, free headphones, and a restaurant card, and I picked the restaurant card and the free headphones, and I got them both. So that's pretty cool, and wonder what would have happened if I picked the Pinpointer too. Anyway, let me get this put together and we'll be ready to go. My husband Eric is coming home a little bit, and we're going to take this out for a spin.
Over here in the corner where they found a couple Morgan dollars and a seeded dime a few years ago. He's got our new Legend out, giving it a test run today. A little bit blustery, but hopefully you'll find something. And right over here by this old school, which has been abandoned for 40 years. So we'll see see how we do.
Okay, so I was getting a 43 and there was no ferrous in it. Dug this tone and got a hole with a piece of pottery and this thing, which looks like part of a handle maybe. So not exactly a stellar beginning, but we're going to see what else we can find. We'll be back at the next one. Hey guys, we are at the county fairgrounds and I'm excited because I just got my first coin with my new Nokta Makro Legend, and it is a quarter. It's a 1967, so it's even kind of an older quarter, not quite old enough, but I'll take it anyway. I'm going to keep going, see what else I can find. Be back at the next hole. Guys, this new Legend is a beast. I've been picking out coins left and right. Nothing old yet, but still, this is cool because this came out and you can see the impression here. It looks like it might be a penny. Nope, where'd it go? Okay, this is toning pretty. And I got in here and it is in the sidewall, about 4 inches down. That was kind of interesting. And then I immediately lost it. Wait a minute, where'd it go? It just dropped in the dirt. Maybe that was the impression of the coin. Oh, it's in here somewhere. There it is. Yeah, you know, I think that was the impression of the coin in the wall, not the actual coin. And it is a stinking Lincoln. 1978. Oh, not even old. Can I keep going? So it looks like a penny went down in the hole. That's what I was chasing. Let's see. That's not it either. Let's just scoop it up real quick. There, I saw it fly by. There it is. This thing is a beast. Super windy. But look at that. I have a wheat cent. Yay. First old coin with the Legend. Can I keep going? See what else I can find. Be back at the next hole. Sorry about the wind, guys. I am right by the doorway and I got this. It was a beautiful, clear, high tone. Can you believe this? It's a Ben Franklin! Yay! I'll take that. That is awesome. Oh, this is different. I never quite saw anything like this before. It looks like it is a cut quarter.
Oh.
Isn't that weird?
It
like
is.
they cut a design out of it.
Yeah.
And it's a surfer guy.
Is there a year on it?
Oh, I'm going to have to clean it up when I get home. It's read it. It's a quarter, all right. Oh, you know, that's a South Dakota quarter. That's Mount Rushmore.
Oh, it could be.
There's Mount Rushmore and a pheasant flying over and somebody cut it.
That's weird.
That is very cool.
There's a little hook right there too. That used to be a necklace.
Yeah.
Right there.
Ha! That is a neat find. I'm going to keep going, see what else I can find. Hey guys, we are back out at the fairgrounds today. Beautiful day. Thought we would play it a little in the dirt. I have a signal here that is about 6 inches down. And it was toning like, well, it's a 77 to 80 on the ATMAX, according to my husband. And I was getting like a 45. So I'm thinking a penny, but we're going to find out here if I can do this with 2 hands. Let's see. Oh, I think this is my signal right there. And that beautiful comes right out. And looks like I got a wheat cent. I'll take that. That's cool. I like it. Let's see if we can't get a year off of it. It's a little dirty. Let's see. Looks like it's an older one. if I can clean this up a little better. I think it's a 1916. See if you guys can see that. Yeah, 1916, baby. Love it. And keep going, see what else I can find. Be back at the next hole. Well, I made it back over to the middle part and got a pretty good tone here. I got myself my second wheat of the day, and it's an older one. It's a looks like a 1934D. So I'll take that. I'm gonna keep on going. See what else I can find. This was toning like it could have been a penny. And at first I thought it was a bottle cap, but it's not. It's some sort of little compact or something. So that's kind of cool. I'll take it. We'll keep on going. See what else I can find. We'll be back at the next hole.